One of Mississippi's most powerful politicians is calling for a ban on the AR-15 assault rifle used to shoot and kill 49 people.
I'm a hunter, but I don't need an AR-15 to hunt deer, or I don't need that kind of weapon to hunt rabbits.
U.S. Congressman Benny Thompson is the ranking Democrat on the House Homeland Security Committee. He told us he would support making AR-15s illegal.
If the ban came up today, I would have no problem voting for it.
This AR-15 rifle, similar to the one used in the Orlando massacre. This assault rifle can fire off as many as 30 rounds. Imagine how much damage it can do in just a matter of seconds.
For 49 people to be killed in this kind of situation.
But supporters of the semi-automatic weapon say banning it wouldn't change anything.
It's not going to keep anybody from stabbing, blowing up, getting a pistol that holds 32 rounds or 18 rounds and going in and doing the same thing.
The so-called AR-15 is the same weapon mass shooters used in San Bernardino, the Aurora, Colorado theater, and that massacre at Sandy Hook Elementary School. Kevin McDonald, who sells guns for a living, says the bad guys will find a way to get guns no matter what.
I think they've outlawed drugs. I think they've outlawed murder. I think they've outlawed a lot of things in this country, and if I haven't noticed correctly, but I believe that hadn't kept anybody from not breaking the law using drugs or killing people. It's the same thing with guns.
There's no reasonable or identifiable need to have that kind of weapon available and just across the counter.